Hello there, welcome to the YouTube channel, and this is an important video. So I just want to start this video by asking you, are you sure, are you confident that your Android TV is secured? Are you confident that Android TV is protected? Are you confident that Android TV doesn't have malwares? And if the answer to these questions is no, then this video is for you. I might want to watch it right up to the end, because in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make sure that your Android TV doesn't have viruses, malware, and unwanted software. So, if you find the video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video for more important videos like this.
Before we continue, I want to show you this TV box I'm currently using called S5 Max Sling TV box, and it's very good with 4K images and 4K videos. Also, it comes with various applications, some basic applications, and it has an app store. Now, not all applications are in the app store, so you can also add an other app store if you're interested in more applications. Here are the various applications in these app stores, and there are lots of them, and they're very nice applications. You can just go ahead and try out. So let's try out one of the applications like my VOD. It gives you videos on demand. Also, there's another application like my TV. It gives you channels that you can watch on your Sling TV box. So these are some of the applications in this TV box. This TV box has 116 gigabyte space, and also it is very affordable. If you want to know more, check the description of this video. There is a link that is going to lead you to where you see all the features of this TV box. Now let's continue.
So that's it. Let's move ahead. Now, on your Android TV, when you're installing applications or streaming movies online, or you're launching codes and so on and so forth, there is a risk that you stand on your Android TV. You can install applications that are unwanted. You can install applications that have viruses. You can install applications that have malware to Android TV. Now, even though using a VPN is very good, because a VPN is going to protect you from phishers or scammers or people online who are trying to steal your information, it still doesn't limit you from installing applications that have malwares or softwares that can harm your Android TV or can destroy your memory or whatever. So it is very important for you to make sure that your Android TV is secure while you're installing applications without fear. And in this video, that's exactly what I'm going to try to show you with one particular application that I came across on the internet. So please watch right up to the end. So we are going to start by installing this application, and yeah, not just like most of applications that we install using downloader or Unlink. This application is very simple to install. You don't really need downloader, neither do you need Unlink or any other app store. You just need your browser. All right. So if you have an Android TV that has a browser or a Play Store, then it's simple. Just go over to your Google Play Store. But you could still go ahead and use downloader if you already have downloader on your Android TV. But I want to show you the easiest and simplest way, which is just come over to your browser and then you type in this application. So if your browser works with Google, if your browser is logged into your Google, you just come out to it and type in the name Virus Total. So this is the name of the application. As a matter of fact, here's it over here. So it's called Virus Total. So here's it here. And the option is down here. So I come over to the option that says Google Play Store and I click on it once. And here's the application Virus Total Mobile. So this application is a very nice application, and I'm going to show you how the application is important to your Android TV. So let's start by installing this. Now I repeat, if your Android TV has a Play Store, just go over to it and search for the application. If your Android TV doesn't have Play Store, you go over to your Google browser or go to your browser, log into Google, and you search the application in the search box Virus Total Download. You're going to get the application as I've gotten it here. So just go ahead and click install, and we're going to wait for the application to install. Okay, now the application is installed to Android TV, so we can just go ahead and open it from here. And here's how it looks like. It's just blue and it's very simple to use. This is how it looks like. So once you go over to the application for the first time, all you have to do is just click scan and just give it a moment for the application to scan. Now, what this application does is that it is going to scan your Android TV. It's going to scan all the applications that you've installed on your Android TV, and it's going to tell you which of the application is safe, which of the application is risky, and which of the application has question marks. That's how important this application is. So as you can see on my screen right now, it has scanned my Android TV, and it has showed me all the applications on my Android TV that have the problem and the ones that don't have the problem. So as you can see on my Android TV, here are my applications that I have scanned. So the first one that doesn't have a problem is this application called File Sync. And they say 35 out of 77 data on this application have been affected. So the application has a question mark. So now it is no more about application. Just scroll over to it and click on this red. So this red here stands for risks. This means this is a risky application. The green stands for application that has no problem, and the gray means it's just they are not sure, so that's just why they put it as gray. So you come back to the application, it's called File Sync, and It's an application that hasn't been updated for a long period of time. As you could see, once you click on it, they give you the more information on it, and it says 35 out of 77 is infected. So they see most of the information on this application is infected. So on your Android TV, if you have applications that are infected, it is going to show you just like this, and you are going to know if the application is infected. Now, any application that is infected can carry malware, can carry virus, and it's very important for you to delete the application. Now, if you trust the application, you can keep it, but if you are not sure about the application, please just go over here and click on uninstall, and it'll give you the option to uninstall the application from your Android TV, so as you make sure you stay away from bugs, malware, or viruses. Now, the other applications that are showing green just let us know that they are secured or they don't have any infected information. So if I go over here, see, I click here, it says this application is clean, it is not infected. Now you can check all my other applications, and also this is Call of Duty. Yes, I can install Call of Duty to my TV box and I can play it using a controller. So that's the important of using a TV box. If you are looking for a TV box that can install Call of Duty and play, or install that games and play using a controller, they can check out this Link TV box on the description of this video. There's the link to it. You can get yours, and if you are a game lover, you can play this game here. So let's continue. The all other applications that are showing green just means they are all clean application and they don't have any virus. So these other applications here, if you click on it, they say it is unknown. Most of these applications are the applications that come with my Android TV. So you can go over to the system. If you click next, these are the system applications. Also, you can check out the system application to know if they have any problem. So these are my system applications, and it shows that they are all clean. Now, this is not the only thing that this application does. If I come over to this option here, this plus option here, and I click on it, I can also check if a link that I'm browsing on it's secured. So for instance, if I type a link like this, let me just go ahead and type an example. So this is an example of a link. Let's say you are browsing on your Android TV, or you want to go to a particular link you are not sure of, or URL that you are not sure of. They can start by scanning that URL here on this application to see if it is clean or not. So just put in the URL and then you scan. But the only problem about this is that it is going to take time, because they are going to need the application is going to need to scan the URL before resending you the information. You can send them the URL as I just did here. The URL will be sent. So it's just going to take a couple of time. It could take, I don't know how long it could take, but it will send you the information to this URL before you can go ahead to browse it. So this is just for extra security. If you want to go to a URL and you're not so sure about how clean it is, they can start by scanning the URL and getting more information. So that's it about this application. It's an important tool that you need to have on your Android TV to know which applications that you've installed that are virus infected or not. So this is very important. You can just install it to your Android TV, and also the application is called Virus Total. If I return home, so here is it, Virus Total Mobile. That is the name of the application. It helps you know which of your apps that you've installed is virus infected. So use the application to keep your Android TV secure from viruses and malware. If you found the video helpful, please like and subscribe.